Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need help with your Amazon order? Here's how you can easily contact Amazon customer support. First of all, open your Amazon app or website and log in if you aren't already. After that, tap the menu icon and select customer service from the list. Browse through the help topics. Amazon provides quick solutions for common problems like tracking orders, returns, or refunds. If you still need assistance, scroll down and tap Contact Us. Choose your preferred method of contact, live chat, request a call, or send an email. Amazon's team will assist you promptly. That's it. You are now connected to Amazon customer support and can get your issue resolved in no time. Thanks for watching.